Hey everyone! Welcome to our informative video about logic and reasoning. Today, we're gonna be talking about inductive reasoning, fallacies, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.
Logic is the study of reasoning and argumentation. It helps us evaluate the validity and soundness of arguments. Reasoning, on the other hand, is the mental process of drawing conclusions or making inferences.
Inductive reasoning, on the other hand, involves drawing specific conclusions based on general to specific or premises. It moves from broader statements to specific conclusions. For example, if you all know that cats are mammals, we can deduct that cats have lungs.
Inductive reasoning involves making generalizations based on a specific observation or example. It moves from specific instance to a broader conclusion.
Fallacies are errors in reasoning that can make an argument invalid or unsound. Let's discuss a few common fallacies.
Hasty generalization occurs when a conclusion made based on insufficient or biased evidence. For example, assuming that all dogs are aggressive just because you encountered one aggressive dog.
The slippery slope fallacy is when one argues that a particular event will inevitably lead to a chain of negative events without sufficient evidence. For example, claiming that if we allow one small tax increase, it will lead to the collapse of the entire economy.
A bandwagon policy is when someone argues that because something is popular or widely accepted, it must be true or valid.
And that's a wrap on our informative video about logic. Inductive reasoning, fallacies, and some common examples like hasty generalization, slippery slope, bandwagon, and antagonism. Remember, understanding this concept can help us think critically and evaluate arguments more effectively.